Hello everyone, this is Kritika. Today we are going to see Azure MySQL Server. How to create MySQL Server in Azure portal. So this is my portal. So in this portal, I have created one virtual machine. Okay. So first I have created one Windows virtual machine. So in this Windows virtual machine, I have allow RDP connection. Okay. Allow port 3389 3389. So after this, I'm going to create a MySQL server here. So I have created one MySQL server in this portal. After this, I'm going to connect this Windows machine. Then try to connect the MySQL server with this virtual machine. Okay. So for that, I need one connecting tool, right? So in this virtual machine, Windows virtual machine, I'm going to install MySQL Workbench. So this is the connecting tool. So now I have installed MySQL Workbench in this virtual machine. So once we install MySQL tool, then we can easily connect MySQL server with this virtual machine. So that's it. After this, we can create a connection, database connection. So I hope you understand. I'll show the demo now. So now I'm going to create a resource group. So provide name for your resource group. Create. Now I'm going to create a Windows virtual machine. So create virtual machine. Select your resource group. Then provide any name for your Windows machine. I have give Windows. Then region. Availability option, no infrastructure redundancy. Then security type, standard. Image, Windows Server 2019. Then size 3.5. Can give more than 3.5. Then provide username, password. I have select RDP inbound port. Then that's it. Now review and create. Okay. Once the deployment is completed, we have to create SQL workbench. Once the deployment is completed, we have to create MySQL server. Wait. I think it's very slow. Okay. So I will do one thing. I just pause this. Once the deployment is completed, I will start the video. So now I'm going to pause this video. Wait. Okay. Now VM is ready. Now I'm going to create SQL server. Azure SQL, sorry, Azure database for MySQL server. Yeah, this one, select Azure database for MySQL server. Then create. Actually, here flexible server and WordPress MySQL flexible server, right? Um, I just go with flexible server because you're going to practice, right? So select flexible server. So click create. Yeah. Now select your resource group. Then they have to give a server name. Server name MySQL MySQL DB23. Yeah. MySQL DB23. Okay. Now region is US. Then version I just use 8.0. Next workload type for development. Then compute plus storage. Configure server. You can configure your server here. Click that configure server. Can change the size, all those things, but I didn't touch anything. I just go with default size. So save this. Now you have to select server type. So, yeah, authentication method. MySQL authentication only. Then admin username. This name for your SQL server. You have to remember this. Just use this for connecting the virtual machine and SQL server. So you have to remember this password username. Then that's it. Review and create. Yeah, I have missed firewall rules. So return to add a firewall rule. Here you can add your Windows machine IP here. Which virtual machine you are going to connect this SQL server. I have to provide that IP of the virtual machine. But now I just give 0 to 225. 0.0.0.0, then 255.255.255.251. So means any VM can connect with this server like that. So that's it. So now review and create. That now in process. So again, I'm going to pause this video. Yeah. Now I'm going to connect this Windows machine. Username, then password. Now VM is connected. Now I'm going to what happened. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to install MySQL Workbench. For that, first I have to off that IE enhanced security, right? So for that, go to server manager. Yeah, server manager. Then local server, IE enhanced security configuration. Just off this. Administrator of the user also off. That's it. Click OK. Now open your browser. Type download. Yeah, very slow. Okay, ask me later. Yeah, download MySQL workbench. Loading, loading, loading. Start without data, confirm and continue. Continue with this data, without this data. Confirm for. Yeah, now we can download our workbench. So SQL download, MySQL workbench. Click, 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 click. Yes. Now can download here. Just scroll down, click this download option. Have successfully downloaded this. Then before installing, we have to install C++. Yeah, Visual C++. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to download Visual C++. 2019 for MySQL Workbench. So click this, scroll down. Here you can see three options. One for ARM 64, and x86, x64. I just go with x64. Click x64, then download it. Yeah, now I'm going to install this. Open file, then accept the license terms and conditions, install. Once the C++ installation is completed, just start our workbench installation. So close this, finish, go to downloads. Here, click MySQL Workbench, next, complete or custom, just go with complete, then next installation is started. So once the installation is completed, we'll connect our MySQL server and this virtual machine. So yeah, done. Finish. Once it's completed, automatically one wizard open here. Wait. Yeah. Now click this plus symbol, MySQL connection. Like this. Connection name is our MySQL server name. MySQL 23. No, MySQL LB23, right? MySQL LB23. One second, I will cross check. Go to notification. click, go to resource. Yeah, MySQL DB 23. So now MySQL DB 23, then connection method, standard, then host name, port. Now username. Username, I have give Kritika, right? So I have to type Kritika here. Then password, store in vault. Click that. You have to type your password here. I already told you, right? You have to remember that password. So type that password here. Click OK. I didn't click that test connection because it takes some more time for connection. So click OK. MySQL DB23 is connected, but it show here, but not connected now. It takes some more time to establish the connection. So we have to wait for that. You can edit your database here. See, database, server, tools, all those things. Yeah, see here, no connection established. Take some more time. So wait for that. Yeah, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you.